Sending money home from Oakland just got easier. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your very own Remitly account. Right here in Oakland, get ready to connect with your loved ones faster. First things first, download the Remitly app from your app store once installed. Tap Sign Up to begin. You'll need to enter your first and last name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a password you won't forget, but is hard for others to guess. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Remitly will send a verification code to your phone. You'll need to enter this code in the app to confirm your number. Now, let's get your profile set up. You'll be asked for your date of birth and your current address here in Oakland. Be sure to use your actual residential address for verification purposes. For identity verification, Remitly requires a government-issued ID. You can choose between your California driver's license, your U.S. passport, or other accepted forms of identification. It's important that the ID you choose is current and not expired. The app will then guide you to take clear photos of your chosen ID. A circumflex euros. The front and the back, make sure the photo is well lit, and all the information is legible to ensure a smooth verification process. Once your identity is verified, it's time to link your payment method. Remitly accepts most major debit cards and bank accounts. Tap Add Payment Method, and follow the prompts to securely enter your card or bank details. And just like that, your Remitly account is ready. You've successfully set up your profile, verified your identity, and linked your payment method. All from Oakland, you're now set to send money quickly and affordably. Congratulations! You're now all set to use Remitly for your money transfer needs. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.